Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang araw, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Here we go again. It's Sinulog time. And of course, as our offering, as our way of showing thanksgiving to Señor Santo Niño, we are offering this traditional dance again to Him. And we are celebrating His festivity. So now, I will just introduce you the different figures that we will be using. So again, these are only basic steps. These are only basic figures. Iba po yung exact choreography po niya. I'm not really sure when it's sa drama na part. We're not sure yet if magagawa natin ang paraan. Kasi nga po, medyo kapos po tayo sa oras. Sa ngayon, ay introduce ko po muna ang iba't ibang figures natin for Sinulog 2026. Alright? By the way, I want you to practice kung ano po yung tamang proper hand gesture. So ito po yung tama. So ganyan po yung kamay natin. So basically yung three fingers close together, and then itong pointer finger ay medyo nakaangat po siya. And then para siyang letter C. Para siyang nagpo-form tayo ng letter C. Yan po. Yan po yung basic natin sa kamay. So each time mag-open hands tayo. Okay, so ganyan po yung kamay natin. Alright, I will check that in person. Okay, so now let's start with figure number 1. So, super basic sinulog dance steps. So, up and side. Up and side. Tingnan po yung side ko po. Okay, it's shoulder level, pero medyo curve lang ng konti. Okay? Gusto ko po sa ngayon pa lang, at home pa lang, ay nalilinis na ninyo yung dance or yung figures. Okay? So, up and side. Up and side. Up and side and up and side. Kamay pa lang yan. Lagyan natin ng paa. So, basically, up ang right, left, balik. Up and back. And up and back. Up and back and up and back. Super basic. Now, next figure will be right, left. So, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left. Okay? So, tingnan nyo, hanggang dito lang po yung kamay ko. Alright. So, first and second figure. Yung second figure is same. Second figure, this is first and second figure. Second figure po ito. This is second figure. Okay? So, first and second figure, super basic. 5, 6, 7, and up and side, and up and side, up and side, and up and side. Figure 2, 1 and 2. Isa pa yung ulo. Kung saan yung kamay, doon ang ulo. 3 and 2 and 1. Alright. Let's move on to figure number 3. So, sa figure number 3, medyo gagalaw tayo ng konti. Okay? So, kamay po dito sa dibdib. Tapos, wave. Right hand po ito. Right hand. So, wave, wave, and circle, circle up. Okay, again. So, kamay dito. Right hand. Step na, 2 steps lang. Paa muna, paa, shift. Paa, paa, bang, close. Okay? Again. Kamay natin is wave, wave, then circle, circle, up. So, ang circle natin, likod mauna. I mean, down. So, from bang, babang, bang, bang, and down, down, up. Okay? Sige, sabay natin dalawa. 5, 6, 7, and wave. Wave, and down, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up. Tapos, ikot tayo papunta dito, sa right. Right. Okay? So, from here, ikot right, bang, bang, paatras. Okay? Bang, 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 bang. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos ikot. 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 7, 6, 5. Tapos wave ulit tayo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So, 1 to 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikot, ikot, and wave, wave. Kuha. So, that's the third figure. Kuha po. Alright. Next. So, first, second, super basic. Third, yun po yung wave, wave. Okay. Next figure. Wait lang. Saan tayo dito nag-end, diba? Kasi i-connect ko to. 4, 3, 2, 1. So, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next will be, so, cross step po tayo. Cross, step, and cross, step. 5, 6, 7, and down, up, and down, up. Okay. Again, 5, 6. This is the fourth figure. 5, 6, 7, and down, up, and down, and up, and down, up, down, up. Okay, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, cross step muna. So basically, cross, step, and cross, step, cross, and step, and cross, and step. Hanggang 1 to 1 yan. So sa kamay lang po tayo, medyo may konting changes. So, down, up, right muna, tapos left, down, and up. Okay? Tapos, paspaloob. The circle, up. Tapos, down, and up. Okay? Again. 5, 6, 7, and cross, and up, and down, and up. Circle, circle, and up, and down, and up. Kuha? So, i-connect natin yung third and fourth na figure. Sige, 5, 6, 7, and wave. Wave, and down, up. Circle, ikot, and wave, wave, and cross. Up, and cross. Up, and circle paloob, down, and up. So, that's the third and fourth figure. Alright, next will be the fifth figure. Okay, so basically somehow kinoconnect pa rin natin siya dun sa fourth figure. Fifth figure na to, okay? So, dito tayo nag-end, di ba? So, pak, dang, yan yung end. Mag-wave lang tayo to the right. So, wave to the right, wave to the left, pray and up, pray and luhod. Okay? Ulitin natin. 5, 6, 7, and wave to the right, wave to the left, pray and up, pray, luhod. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the fifth. Tapos connect agad tayo sa 6. So, bang, bang. So, papunta tayo sa right una. So, yung left na arm mo ang unang sa harap. Harap, 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 harap. Ulo, bang, 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 bang. Naka-chin up yan ha. Tak, tatak, tatak, tak, tatak, tatak. And wave, 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 wave. Let's connect the fifth and the sixth. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and up, down and luhod. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave, 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 and wave. So that's the fifth and the sixth figure. Alright, so now we will connect not the first and the second kasi yung first and second po ay medyo mabilis lang, basic na basic. So insert lang natin yun any part, first and second. So dun tayo sa third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, yung hanggang sa luhod. Lagyan natin ng music. This is not gonna be the exact music, probably. Pero, tawag dito, gagamitin na natin kasi mata-timing naman din siya. Okay? So, I mean, we're going to use the same piece of music, pero hindi siya dun exactly sa part na yon. Okay? Alright, so let's have a music for third to sixth. Cross, step, circle, That's the third to sixth figure. Alright, so now let's connect. This is another set of figures. So yung 3, 4, 5, and 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6, yun yung magkakadugtong. Ito naman, tapos may ibang choreography, tapos sisingitan natin ng ibang figures ulit. So this is another set of 4 figures. So this is going to be 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10 figures. Different ang kanyang beat ng music. Alright? So ito po yung magiging figure niya. So figure 7, again, 7 to 10, one group set of figures. Okay? So figure 7 will be circle, circle na tayo. Circle, circle side. Hindi ako na center. Circle, circle side. Same yung level. Again, 5, 6, 7, and circle. Circle up, circle. Circle up. Pang circle natin, down una. So down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So basically, 2 steps lang tayo. To the right and then 2 steps to the left. So down, down, up, down, down, point. Tapos iikot tayo na nakaganito. Pag. Tapos, ikot tayo ulit, pabalik, pero ang ating kamay ay paloob, tapos spray. So nito, bang, bang, tag, tag. Pray ang last, okay? Do it. Figure 7, 5, 6, 7, and circle, circle up, circle, circle, ikot, tag, 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 up, pag, bang. So dito tayo mag-end, okay? Next figure will be this one. So, nung figure 7, dalawang circle yun, di ba? Ito, one slide lang. Slide right, slide left. So from here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 lang. So 2 counts interval. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos 5, 6, hawak tayo sa 5, 6. So yung right foot natin, cross. So bang, bang. Hakot sa likod, hawak sa tiyan. Okay? So pak, bang, diretso ikot tayo patas ng kamay. Pak, bang, drop. Naka-drop yan ng konti. So from here, nag-drop tayo dito. Again, 5, 6. So from this, spray, side tayo. Side, side, and cross. Ikot agad, bang, bang. So pag ikot, ganito, pagharap, drop. Tapos, step, cross ulit, step, cross ang right, shoulder level, tinan mo yung kamay ko, yung finger ko, shoulder level, and then up. Ganun siya. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, this is the 8th figure. 5, 6, 7, and slide, 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 and bang. Ikot, tag, 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 and tag, down. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yun, 8, 7, may 6, 5 pa. 6, 5, up. Tapos, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, may correction konti. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, ikot, 8, 7, up, and down, down, down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Kuha. Okay. Next, 9 figure. From here, down, up lang. Down, up. Tapos, down, up. Okay? Tapos, pa-side. Harap to. Down, up. Shift. Down, up. Yung paa. Super easy. Step. Step. Step and step. Step. Step and step and step. So from here, down lang tayo. Down, up, down, up. Pa, tatak, down, tadak. Balik, balik, down, and down. Okay, lagyan natin ng konting, hindi siya stiff ha. Hindi siya stiff. Medyo soft lang siya. So 5, 6, 7, and down, down, tak, ta, tak, ta, 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 dang, 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 dang. Okay? So, step, step. So, from here, 5, 6, this is the 9 figure. 5, 6, 7, and down, up, pa, 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 pa. Right, left, left sa harap, right sa harap. Okay? Right after this one, place your both hands here. Okay? Tapos, this is the 10 figure. 10 figure is gonna up, palikod, and tak, tatak, side pa harap. Up, palikod, and tak, tatak, side sa harap. Okay. Again, 5, 6, 7, and up, palikod, and side pa harap. And up, palikod, and side pa harap. Okay? And then, ang paan yan will be 1, 2, 3, pa. 1, 2, 3. Right, right point, left, left point. Okay, so from here, 5, 6, 7, and pak, 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 tag, dadag, side. Up and up, tak, tak, tak. Okay, ang ulo, dag, dadag, dag. So nakagano ng ulo. Lean back ng konti. Okay, again. And tak, 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 tak. Shift ang ulo. Tak, 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 tak. Shift ang ulo. Only twice. Okay? So that's gonna be 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bago tayo ng music, let's have counting muna. Okay, ready? 4, 3, and 4, 3, and 2. Start and circle. Circle side. Circle. Circle side. Ikot. And up and pray. And side. Side. And shift. And circle. Tug, tug, tug. And side. Up and down. Down. Right. Left. And down. Down. Tug. Tug, tug. And 1, 2, 3. Tug, 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 tug. Tug, 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 tug. Tug, 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 tug. Alright, so dito tayo mag-end. Let's have a music for those 4 figures. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And 1. And 2. And 3. And pray. And side. Side. Up and circle. Up. Up and tug, 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 tug. And enjoy. Relax. Okay. Again, yun yung 7, 8, 9, and 10th figures. Okay. Okay, next figure will be 11 and 12. Alright, so this is going to be the 11th figure. Okay, I'm not sure if we're going to be having a hand props. So, if meron po, so just prepare. So, ito po, nakaganito po yung kamay ko. Close na po yung kamay ko. Okay? So, it's gonna be, this is gonna be 11th figure, 11 and 12 figures lang po. So, the circle, side, and circle, side. Pababa ulit. 5, 6, 7, and circle and side, circle and side, up and level, up and level. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and bug, tug, tug, and down, tug, tug, up and level, up and level. Okay, yung paa natin is gonna be left, right, left, right, left, right, and left, right. Okay, so pag step ng left, yun din yung pagbaba. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and bang, tatak, and dang, tatak, up and down, up and down. Okay, again, 5, 6, hindi po siya tumitigil. Okay, so 1 and pak. So 1, pak. 1, 2. Ganun po yung counting. 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 11 figure. 12 figure will be right, left, up. So slow siya. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Hanggang doon lang. Down and up. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, and right. Left, right, and left. Right, left, and right. Down and up. Okay? That's the music for that part. Medyo, ano siya, nanakawin natin yung beat kasi medyo mahirap pumasok. Okay? Ito natin. And 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and down, up. Okay. Alright. So, again, so those 12 figures lang muna ang ibibigay ko. Again, as what I've mentioned earlier, sa choreography na po siya natin ilalagay yung ibang parts ng music. So, basically, change formation, meron tayong succession, yung sunod-sunod-sunod, marami pong ganun ang mangyayari. Okay? Para maganda po tingnan. So, we'll figure it out in person. Ayusin ko lahat ng choreography, but again, just practice, rehearse at home. Kabisaduhin niyo po muna yung 12 figures. Okay? Make sure the proper hand gestures, yung paa, yung counting, yung timing ay tama po. Okay? You can repeat the video as many as you can. And yung framing po nito ay tawag dito, nakaharap na po siya. I mean, naka-mirror na po siya. Okay? So, kung dito yung kamay ko, dito ako papunta, that's a right hand. If dito ako, that's a left hand. So, again, naka-mirror po siya yung ano. Parang kayo nagti-TikTok. Okay? Kung saan siya papunta, doon pa rin po. Okay? So, again, we'll see you soon, guys. Thank you very much. Enjoy practicing. Make it fun. Na para lang kayo nag-zumba, nag-exercise. Ayan, pinagpawisan din po ako. So, ayan, mag-enjoy lang po kayo and we offer this again for Senior Santo Niño. Okay? So, Viva Pit Senior, mga kasinulog. Thank you po.